Hello mga kakintab! Kumusta na kayo mga kakintab? This is our simple life here in the farm. Ayan, nagpapakain ng mga geese. Yung anak ko, kumakain din siya ng bread. Pinapakain niya yung geese, pinapakain. Inagaw yung bread niya sa ng dalawang geese na to. Here, ako ikaw. I'm gonna get some more. Some more. My son. Come here. Ako ikaw. Come here. Have bread. Give them bread. Just wait. Not super noisy. Ako ikaw. Where's ako? Come here.
Oh. Okay. Ako ikaw. Give us some funky bread. So kitty mama.
This is our ako ikaw. So big now.
Big.
Come here, Tiara. Feed some ako ikaw. Where's ako? Ako, come here.
Ako ikaw.
Come here. Oh, here, feeding ako ikaw. Come here. They're scared now. Ako ikaw, come here. Come on, go this way behind Mommy at Tiara. Behind Mommy, so they will follow you.
You're big.
Good job.
Oh, big.
Come here. Don't follow ako ikaw, come here. Come on. Come this way, ako ikaw. There.
They don't look like a cow anymore, right? I think they're the same age. I don't
Come here.
memorize their name.
Come on,
I
ako.
think Aku and Aqua. Aku and another Aku. Two Akuas.
They're getting in my bag. Inside my bag is had lots of.
Here, Goose. Goosey. Goose, I still have lots of bread. Yeah, bread. One bread? Just one bread.
So this is how we feed our geese.
With bread.
That's right, with bread.
This is for
Come on.
the geese.
And this is our kiao.
Cool. What
This is
are
our
they doing?
kiao. Eating some bread too. Come on, Gosling.
Kiao.
Ako ikaw, come here. Come on. Follow us. Come on. Come here. Come on, follow me. Come on, now they're here. So much peace in here. Right there, so much peace. Come here. Come on. I'll give you some more. That's right. Don't run after them so they will not scared. Come here. Do help, Alatsi. Help, Bam Bam. My son is stuck over there. Come here. Come on. There we go. Good job, Atiara.
More.
Here. Give to the goosey.
Apple. Mom,
No, that's not apple.
what's that?
Weeds. Different kind of weeds. You full now? Ako? I mean, ikaw? This is ikaw. And this is ako. Ako is more colorful beak and also colorful feet. And this is ikaw, the one that it's more of a not super bright color. So that's ikaw and this is ako right here. Our two little, oh no, not little anymore, two big geese right there.
Two big geese.
Mm-hmm. More?
There's a plan.
That's right. No, don't throw the bread away. Give it here. Give it to them. Not too little, but give it to me.
Like this? Yeah, I don't even get.
I think they're not hungry anymore.
I think they're
Oh,
looking.
meow meow. And this is our Kiao Kiao. Meet our Kiao Kiao. Her name is Kiao Kiao. And then those two. Akui cow is so big.
And they are so big to me.
Give it to the geese. And this is my daughter.
I'm gonna kiss you, buggers. Mwah!
And this is my son. Cleandre.
And we're at the
Give it to the
field.
geese.
And also we're far away too. Bread. Clone, cat.
Empty?
How about me? Yes. Here. More. Yeah, more. Here. Here. Polly. Oh, Polly, I mean a cool. Go ahead, more. Want more? Leave it off. Want more? Good job. Empty goose. Can I have some more? Can you? No.
No.
Oh. Here you
What happened?
Ow, you goose.
What happened? What the goose do?
Oh.
Oh.
Here, good cow. Let's go, cow. Let's go. Cow. Come here. Come on. You missed goose.
Yeah, ikaw. This is ikaw.
Cow.
See, look at the color of ikaw. It's not super bright color than ako. Ako's beak and feet is way more orange. And ikaw is more
Bigger? Like.
Mm. I took it. So this is the one we eat for snacks, guys. Right here. Ito, damo. But it's very healthy. So, papakain ko sa anak ko, ganyan lang.
How about me?
Done. And then throw away. Make sure that they never been sprayed. So, this area never been sprayed. So, ganito lang. Ayan. Klaro ba kung ano to? Yan, mahilig ang anak ko dito. Yan lang. Me. Lasa siyang ano. Alam niyo yung ano, yung sugar cane? Yan ang lasa niya.
No.
Inagaw. Inagaw na naman yung bread. Wala na.
What?
Wet. So, ganito lang. Para siyang broom ata to. But it's a good vitamins. Lasa niya parang sugar cane. Here. Bam.
Can I have some? How about me?
Okay, I'll give you some.
Yeah, I never have any.
So, ayan.
Mom?
Yes?
Mom! Mom!
Meow, meow, where are you going?
Where is she? I only see a bully dog. Hello, guys. Come here. Oh, that was so big already, are you? So big, isn't it? I never see it. Go on, go.
Our goose two is following, going back home. So, get the plastic, Tiara, because we will get some more bread. Let's go home now, goosey goosey.